1,000 minifigs stood firm before the might of a Lego craft equipped with 2 devastating missiles designed to take them all down. Their bravery knew no equal, but they were still felled like weeds by a mower. Despite having justice on their side, they could never be a match for such a lethal power. Without remorse, without conscience, and to everyone's surprise, the craft let off 2 barrels of missiles right into the beep. And now the aftermath. Truly horrifying scenes. 100, 200, God only knows how many lay strewn. Had they no conscience? How could they have fired such devastating weaponry into a crowd?
Okay, well that was a lot of fun, but on a slightly more serious note, I'd like to show you how to put together the gun that you've just seen. It's a really straightforward thing. I'm sure you guessed it. It was just storing power in elastic bands, and it let out 2 bullets. So here goes. And if you wanted to load it, you push that back in, all the way back, hold it. Do the same here, all the way back, and then you can fire it. And that's very, very sensitive. There you go.